Hello and welcome to IB Sync. In this video, we are going to discuss how to use ChatGPT and Google Sheets to try to make a sort of an AI tutor for yourself. So I have made a Google Sheet in which you can see that there are drop-down menus from which you can select the criteria, the strand, the topic, and the subtopic that you want to study. And based on these selections, a prompt will be generated here. You can change this prompt according to your own needs, whatever works for you through trial and error. However, if you copy the existing prompt and run it through ChatGPT, it will get you some results based on the selections you've made. The prompt will change automatically, and then you can copy the prompt from here and paste it here, and it will provide you with some tasks like this. If it doesn't provide you with what you're looking for, you may want to tweak the prompt a bit and then also change the same in the Google Sheet. So I'm going to change the task with questions and then run it again. And you can see that now it has given me some questions that might be on the MYP 5 level. So you can attempt these questions, and you can also ask it to provide you a mark scheme or answers for the above questions, and it will provide you with them. Be wary of these answers because some of them may be inaccurate. I have tried it and most of them are accurate, but just to be safe, try to be a bit skeptical. I can make more of these Google Sheets for other subjects. If you want, let me know in the comments. If you want to book a lesson with me, there is also a link in the description for that. And see you around.